This is an example of a typical HR department workflow where the human resources manager has to process inbound invoices and resumes, interviews, etc. So we'll launch our Outlook client for the HR manager, and we'll go to our inbox. You see we have a new email from an applicant. We open this email, review the resume, and decide that we would like to set up an interview for this applicant. So we'll store this document, this email and resume, into the DocuWare system. Let's type in the last name, first name, click store, and now the email and the resume have been stored away in the DocuWare cabinet. And from there, the next time I log on to DocuWare, I have a new task to perform. I have a new applicant, and I need to make a decision about what I'm going to do with this particular applicant. I can either reject the applicant and send a letter, or I can invite for an interview. So we'll select invite for an interview and confirm that. You'll notice my task immediately changed to interview result. We'll come back to this. Now, if we go to Outlook and we log on to Peter's inbox, do a send and receive, we see that we have a new email from Peters Engineering suggesting that I come in for an interview. Perfect. So we will perform that interview, and later with our interview result, we can see here was the original stamp when we selected an interview date. Now we can either reject this applicant and send that letter, or we can hire the applicant. We'll select hire and confirm. Now, if we go back to Peter's inbox, we see we have a new email confirming that Peters Engineering would like to hire Peter. So if we click the link, it takes him directly to a web-based form for Peter to fill out for the HR department. And he'll click submit. Now if we come back to the HR manager's desktop and go into his DocuWare client, if we run a search in the employee database for Strom, we'll see that we have 3 new PDF documents that have been created based on that form. The emergency contact information, the I-9, the W-4, all with the information that was typed in to the web form by the employee.